I wanted to upgrade my black dishwasher and make it look like stainless steel. There was nothing really wrong with it, so I didn't want to pay to replace the whole thing. So I bought this paper to give it a shot and see how it would turn out. I first tried to apply the paper from right to left and it didn't work. It just gave me a hard time with bubbling and sticking and having to take it on and off, and it got very crinkled. So I used this method where I kind of cut the middle out, and then I started from the middle and worked out to my left and right sides. So I had far less bubbles this way, and it was easier to just kind of smooth it out and work my way to the sides, and everything stayed aligned a lot better than it did before. You can see I just run my hands along it and I get rid of most of the bubbles that way, but there are some more stubborn bubbles that don't go away just by rubbing your hands or a credit card over it. So when you have those more stubborn bubbles, you can take a needle and just kind of make a hole in the center of the bubbled area, and then with your fingers, press out the surrounding part, and it'll make the bubble go down. I really love the way that it made the dishwasher look. It changed the kitchen quite a bit just by adding that little bit of stainless steel paper. It looks great. Nobody can really tell at first glance that it's just a paper covering. So it looks really good. It's held up very well so far, and I'm really very happy with it.